Kung na-overwhelm ka sa buhay ngayon and hindi mo alam kung saan mag-uumpisa, kung na-overwhelm ka sa mga tasks na gusto mong maabot pero hindi mo alam kung saan mag-uumpisa, start small. Yes, start small. I mean, kung na-overwhelm ka talaga, mag-umpisa ka muna sa maliit. Kasi every little step that you take builds your identity. Ibibuild niyo yung identity, yung habit na necessary. Kahit gaano man kaliit yung task na yan. For example, gusto mo mag-push up, gusto mo mag-start mag-workout, start with the push up. Mag-start ka sa push up. Ang importante, nag-uumpisa ka. Ang importante, mag-uumpisa ka even maliliit man yung bagay na yan. Why? Because small things compounds over time. Tumataas yan, dumadami yan, and nabibuild niya yung identity. Ang pinaka-importante dito, yung identity mo. Kasi pag meron ka na nung identity, eventually maglilid na yan papunta sa pinakamalaking bagay. Okay? Again, ulitin ko example. For example, you want to work out and gusto mong lumaki yung katawan mo. You just need to start with few push-ups. Bakit? Kasi mabibuild mo yung habits. And then eventually, once na mabuild mo yung habits, pataas ng pataas yung progression mo and mag-lead ka din sa bagong workout split, sa bagong workout session. And then pataas ng pataas yan hanggang sa maging advanced ka na sa workout mo. Pero remember, nag-umpisa ka sa maliit na bagay. And that's what's important. That's what's important. Na mag-umpisa ka sa every little things. Bakit? Kasi lahat ng maliliit na bagay, lalaki din yan as long as you get consistent. And besides, bro, kung naging consistent ka sa maliit na bagay, again, ulitin ko, lalaki yan. Pero pag nag-umpisa ka lang dun sa malaking bagay, agad-agad. For example, nag-umpisa ka sa, let's say, 10-hour workout sa isang araw. Ay nako, magsasawa ka agad, di ba? Just think about that. And this is applicable in every aspects of your life. You just need to start small. Be consistent. Why? Because eventually, you will get there. Maaabot mo din yung pangarap mo. But what matters is that you start. So whatever thing na gusto mong abutin ngayon, you might want to work out, to start that business, mag-umpisa ka lang. You can start small. And be consistent and you will be big enough. May napanood ako before, sabi niya dito, start small enough, long enough, and you'll be big enough soon enough. Man, always remember that. This is my day 6 of improving your public speaking and communication skills. See you. Day 7 pala, no? Day 7, guys. Yeah. Good luck sa buhay mo. Good luck sa journey mo. Peace, brother. Bye-bye.